Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have partly to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Temperatures already in the lower 70s. Expecting high temperatures today in the mid 70s across the Delmarva Peninsula, including the Wallops region. Not going to see any chances of precipitation or lightning today. And we'll see fairly nice conditions overall with the above normal temperatures. Across the region last 24 hours, we saw temperatures in the lower 80s to the lower 70s, even some upper 60s. In Baltimore at 69, Newport News and Norfolk at 83. Here at Wallops, we were one of the warmer locations at 77 degrees. Across region last night saw temperatures anywhere from the upper to mid 60s to the mid 50s. Salisbury was a cool spot at 56 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were 62. Those locations in the Tidewater were in the mid to upper 60s last night. Saw a little bit of precipitation across the region in the last 24 hours. Richmond saw a shower or thunderstorm yesterday afternoon with 22 hundredths. Here at Wallops, we saw a trace of precipitation with a light rain shower overnight. Most of the locations seeing just a trace or a hundredth of an inch of precipitation. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the mid 70s to the lower 60s. Coolest locations across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here at Wallops, we saw mostly cloudy skies with 67 degrees. Most of the locations seeing anywhere from cloudy to partly cloudy conditions. As of our 12Z sounding this morning, we had a freezing level at 10,800 feet. Winds out of the south in the low levels at 10 to 15 knots. We have fairly light winds up to 12,000 feet. Only seeing a wind of 15 knots out of the west at 12,000 feet. And our winds are still fairly light, even up to 25,000 feet this morning out of the west at 21 knots. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis this morning, we have a warm front that's moving north of the Wallops region across central Delmarva this morning. It's going to continue to move north, allowing us to be in the warm sector and providing us with these warmer than normal temperatures in the mid 70s today with less cloud cover for the afternoon hours. Looking at our current observations across the region, we have southeasterly winds. That's going to be the case throughout today, and then turning south for the evening hours. Not going to see any precipitation over the Wallops region or Delmarva Peninsula today. Any precipitation will be confined well west of the region, and we'll just continue to see southeasterly flow, about 8 to 13 knots this afternoon, and we'll continue to see this cloud cover in the mid-levels continue to erode and move to the north. Looking at our prog charts the next 2 days, here's this warm front moving through the region, and then tonight it'll be north of the region. We'll see southwesterly to southerly flow overnight. And then for our Friday AM, we'll see a prefrontal trough start to try to move through the region. That's going to provide us with more cloud cover tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours with a slight chance of a rain shower, looking like about 15% chance. And then for our Friday afternoon, into the evening hours, going to see a cold front starting to approach from the north and west. That'll cross the region around midnight on Friday into Saturday, giving us a chance of some showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm when that cold front does move through. And then for our Saturday, looks like it'll be a decent morning for Saturday with no chance of precipitation, just some cloudy skies. But by Saturday evening, we'll see rain showers starting to move into the region with a good chance of rainfall once we move in the late evening hours on Saturday. And it looks like Sunday will be unsettled across the Wallops region. Looking at the risk chart for today, we'll have temperatures in the mid 70s, as I said, 75 for today for a high. No chances of precipitation, lightning, or winds will be well under 25 knots. A southeast wind 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots, possibly gusting up to 19 knots during the late afternoon hours. We'll continue with southerly flow overnight tonight with a low of 64 degrees. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours, and we'll just see some scattered clouds at 1,500 feet and a ceiling at 15,000 feet by Friday at 8 local. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking into Friday through Saturday, Friday will be mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a rain shower, slightly breezy as well. High of 76 degrees, and with those winds most likely gusting around 23 to 24 knots. Tomorrow afternoon we'll have a yellow for our winds at or greater than 25 knots. Friday night we'll have mostly cloudy skies with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, then remaining mostly cloudy. A low of 64 degrees, so unseasonably mild for overnight low. We'll have a yellow for precipitation with that frontal boundary moving through, and our lightning chances look to be about 15%. And then Saturday we'll have mostly cloudy skies to overcast skies, a chance of rain showers. By the evening hours, very slight chance of a bit of thunderstorm as well. We'll have a high of 70 degrees with a yellow for our precipitation. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have above normal temperatures throughout the time period through Monday, looking 75 today, 76 on Friday, and then 70 degrees on Saturday. We'll have those rain showers moving in from the southwest during the evening hours on Saturday. Really depends on the exact location of this frontal boundary for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, as well as several upper level disturbances moving towards the region. The weather pattern is quite difficult for the time period, and the models are having quite the time of trying to figure out what's going to happen. Some of the models, for example, on Sunday are forecasting temperatures near 80 degrees, while others are stuck in the 50s. So quite the forecast challenge on Sunday, as that frontal boundary and the upper level disturbances will be around the region. Just on which side of that frontal boundary will Wallops be is the big question, and that will determine our temperatures for the weekend. But overall, looks like Sunday will be an unsettled day with rain showers, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And then Monday we'll have an additional upper level disturbance moving through the region, and that could provide us with some showers. And even some models are putting out a chance of thunderstorms for Monday, but right now we'll just stick with some showers, a high of 71 degrees. And then Tuesday and Wednesday we'll have a cooler air mass move in, temperatures in the mid 60s to upper 60s on Tuesday, forecasting a high of 65 degrees right now with mostly cloudy skies. And then Wednesday, continuing with the dry weather, high of 72 degrees, before another quick moving frontal boundary moves through for Thursday with the possibility of some rain showers. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing today. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.